Welcome to Sparks Toyota. Here we have a 2017 Ford Taurus SHO. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with auto-dimming power heated mirrors, chrome trim, keypad entry, privacy glass, and much more. 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, all-season tires, rain-detecting, speed-sensitive wipers, fully automatic headlamps with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder all-wheel drive with only 17,205 miles. Key fob trunk release, large LED brake lights, the dual exhaust, a very spacious cargo area with a cargo net, and a comfortable heated back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather bucket seats with driver memory, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, power adjusting pedals, a push button start, a heated leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away and convenience controls, the multimedia touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze. Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.